Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing a wig install and review from RPGSHOW hair. Super excited to try this hair out. I've been seeing such great things about it. So the hair came packaged really cute in this nice packaging. Taking it out of the package, it was really soft. It came curled really nicely as well, so I love that. This is some transparent lace, and the lace looks really good so far. It's pre-plucked and pre-bleached as well, so you're good to go on starting. So in the box came this wig cap. Can't have too many of those. It also came with some wig shampoo and deep conditioner, and then it also came with a flyaway tamer, which is key. We need those, so super sad to have that. We also have an elastic band, and then of course you have your details and socials in here as well. It also came with a really nice magazine and then a bag for your wig. So never seen one of these before, and I'm very happy to have this. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back. Y'all already know I tell you this every wig video. I don't know how to braid. I'm definitely a beginner, so I just brush my hair back and throw a wig cap on like so. I'm just going to go ahead and brush the wig just to get it ready to put on my head. And then now I'm going to slide the wig on. But before I do that, I want to show you the band on this wig. I love how it's adjustable, like a strap here. This is just so convenient. I love that. So a few details about this wig. This is a 20-inch lace front wig. It is 200% density, and it is a 13x6 glueless lace frontal. I got the cap size 1, but I would highly suggest sizing up to a 2 because it was a little bit tight on my head, but we did make it work. But I would definitely get a size 2 if you're looking at the different cap sizes. This is a really, really pretty color. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace so we can really get this install going. This is a glueless install, so I'm going to go ahead and just tack it down with some of this boho liquid gold. I love this. Y'all know this is my go-to because it comes off with just water, and I do not like to sleep with my wigs on. So I take my wigs off every night, just wetting my hairline, and the wig slides right off. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to tack my wig down. I just have to say, this hair straightens really nicely and very easily. I am very impressed with how well this is straightening. Like, look at how pretty this hair is straight. I absolutely love it. little styler gel just to flatten out the top. I don't put a whole lot of this. I just like using this because it's not as greasy as a wax stick. It just kind of like holds those flyaways down at the top, and I just brush it down so we can really get that flat and laid look for your install, especially on the middle part. Straight look, I like to have that real flat in the front. So this is the final look of the hair. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. This lace is really invisible. I'm obsessed with it. So definitely check out my description box down below for this wig. You can get your hands on it at RPGSHOW. Thank y'all for sending me this wig. I really truly do love it, and this color is everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think about this wig. And until next time, I will see you guys later.